If you've been searching for a working Hostinger coupon code and getting confused by different offers, this quick video will simplify everything. Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of its plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll also receive an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. In this short Hostinger review, what stands out most is how balanced the platform is. You get fast loading speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which makes building a website simple even if you're just starting. And if prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and choose your country. The pricing updates instantly. Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting options available. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.